Honda's rear seat reminder prompts drivers to double-check the rear seats for occupants or items before they exit the vehicle. If a rear door is opened shortly before or after the vehicle's power mode has been switched on, the rear seat reminder will issue an alert once the vehicle is turned off. A reminder will appear in the driver display and an alert will sound. Note that the reminder will not work if the power mode wasn't set to on within 10 minutes of operating the rear doors. Also note that the system only detects rear door operation, not the presence of rear seat passengers. Rear seat reminder is on by default, but can be turned off if desired. On vehicles equipped with a 7-inch color touchscreen, begin by pressing the Home button on the steering wheel. Then, roll the left selector wheel down and press inward to select Settings. After you select Meter Setup, select Rear Seat Reminder. Then press Off. On models equipped with the 9-inch color touchscreen, start on the home screen and select Vehicle Settings. Then select Meter Setup. After selecting Rear Seat Reminder, press Off. To learn more about the features offered on your Honda, visit hondahelp.ca.